Maria, we already have a customer right now. I'm gonna go get them right now, okay? Hello? What do you want? I'm hungry. Like, can I come in for some food? Oh, you want to eat here? Well, come on in then, come on. Now, what can I get for you, sir? Well, what do you have for the menu? But I get you one of those stereotypical chips and salsa. Do you have anything to drink? No, we don't carry any alcohol or whatever, just magic water. That'll definitely give you wishes. Well, I'll have the water from the magic wishing well. And if you have any of those chips and salsa, well, that'd be very, very well since I'm really, really hungry. Okay, so I will give you water from the magic well and also along with chips and salsa. Do you have that yuca and cheese souffle thing? I'll be right back then. Maria, stop, okay? We got our customer.
Really, what does he want?
He wants, well, first things first, he wants water from the magic wishing well as a drink.
Okay.
And, oh, let's see, and he also wants, I have to get him the chips and the dip, and also we're supposed to make, yuca and cheese souffle.
Okay, I'll do that right now. Thank you.
Okay, now, in the meantime, I am going to go get water from the magic wishing well.
Okay.
Well, as soon as that's done cooking, I'm gonna give this to him and hopefully he doesn't get mad. Okay, sir. So far I got you this appetizer and whatnot, so you might as well just enjoy it. There's nothing in here. I came to a restaurant where I could pretty much satisfy my hunger, pretty much the case of my munchies, and you pretty much give me this. What kind of waitress are you? I mean, you pretty much suck! Oh, excuse me? You're getting mad at me? Don't you tell me about that. I am a hard-working woman. I live off the streets of Mexico and whatnot, and I pretty much don't. You know what? Afuera. Get afuera right here or else. You called that a gun? Please. This is a gun, and it's pretty much loaded. No. No! Cheese!
Turn away if you could get me a drink of water, 'cause my lips are chapped and faded. Call my Anne-Marie. Help her gather all my things and bury me in all my favorite colors, my sisters and my brothers.
What is this, Maria?
This is the yuca and cheese souffle.
Oh, that thing that I was supposed to make for the poor food. Oh well, poor fool. He probably never had this. He's probably gonna miss it. It tastes like potatoes.